Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to try to recreate this design using our smartphone. So without further ado, let's begin. I'm going to turn the background now to white. I'm going to bring a shape, a background for this. So this is the background I'm going to be using. I'm just going to stretch it across it like this. Then I'm going to go over to opacity and reduce the opacity almost faint. I would go over here and just do this, take saturation there. All right, I'm going to click here also, and I'll bring this guy right here. All right, this I'll stretch it across it. All right, then I'm going to reduce the opacity also. All right, I'm going to lock both like this. Then I'm going to bring this, which we're going to be working with, this. All right, this guy here. All right, so I'm going to bring in this geometric shape here. I'm going to stretch it like this and I put it right there. I would copy it and I would rotate it and put it right there. All right, so one of the most complicated part of the design is going to be adding the image to the shapes. So I'm going to bring in the original image design like this. All right, now how do we make up this particular shape that we have here? All right, this is what we're going to do now. I'm going to bring in one of this shape here, this guy. I'm going to just use any color for it. Let me use green. So rotate it like this and bring it here. Do like this. So do this. All right, now stretch it out like this. All right, rotate it again. All right, see, so we're trying to adjust it to fit in exactly the way it is there, like that. So you see that it's not properly done. So let's go to this. All right, okay, now that we've gotten it, all we needed to do now is to drag it like this. Okay, adjust it. Okay, so it means we need to still rotate. No. Okay, check if it is properly aligned. Let's go again. This, stretch it out a little. Okay, adjust it. Okay, like this. So we've gotten our shape. So this is the shape we're going to be using for the older ones. So I'm going to put in this here, this guy here, this one here. So make sure that it's sitting very well. Let me just increase it. Okay, it's okay. So that's going to be kind of a peach color. So that's it. That's the peach color. All right, the second one is going to be this. It looks more like, of course, blue, the sky blue, something like that. All right, then this. So we're going to adjust all of them. So let's adjust this here. So this is going to be, pick the color here, pink. So copy and then put this one here. Pick the color. All right, it's a blue. All right, then we'll copy again and we'll put it there. All right, then we'll pick the color. Okay, now that we've gotten this, we want to put add the images. Now, to add each of these images, you need to pay attention to something. And what is that? So you bring in from gallery. Let me begin with this. Now make sure you crop the image very well, like something very, very close to it, like this. So you bring it here, adjust it, take it down. All right, now make sure you zoom in like this. All right, so it means I can still crop a little, just a little of it. Okay, all right, you see that this has entered. All right, it has entered, but the button, you can see that the button there needs to be worked on. So I'm just going to take it down like this. So how do I work on that button? I'm going to reduce the opacity like this, so that I will see what I'm working on. So I'm just going to go to mask. All right, this mask is what I'm going to use for all of it. So I'm just going to make sure that the one I'm doing is very, very okay. So I'm going to adjust this here, then I'll adjust this here. No, not that, this one. I'll just adjust it like this, and then enable it, then move it to the bottom here like this. All right, then still come over here and try to adjust it very well. Still adjust it here. All right, still have to move it here. Okay, let's still do this. All right, so you can see. So if I bring this guy now here like this, it means that we can have something like this. All right, so that same guy we used for to max this guy at this one, we can use it for all of it. So we can just come over here and all right, so let's go. So the next one is this other speaker here. Who's the next speaker? Okay, this is the next speaker. So we just click on this, take it there. So I won't prefer this one. I prefer this. So I'll just drag it here like this. All right. So let's try. Let's see. So it means we're going to crop. Let's go again. Reduce it. Okay. This means we're going to crop. Let's try and do this. All right. Then we'll adjust this. Let's crop again. All right. And we'll crop here again. All right. So we can put it there. Okay. So we'll also have to take out the bottom there. All right. We'll take out the bottom there. But let's also get this guy. I think the next is this. Okay, this. All right. Okay, so we'll just take it like this. We'll crop it here. We'll crop it here. Okay. All right. So it means we're going to do this. Don't worry about that. We can work on it. We'll do this. All right. So stuff like that. So what we want to do next again is to bring in this next person, a do picking. So drag it here. Okay, so we want to crop again and fix it there. Okay. We still have to crop this and drag this out. Okay. Sorry, not that. Crop. Okay. All right, so let's bring in the last person. Right here. So we just adjust here. Okay, so things are going to increase like this. All right, we'll cut from here. Okay, we're gonna drag it a little and take a little out of it. All right, then we'll touch this space. All right. Okay, so we've gotten the design. This is exactly the way we want it. So I just want going to work on the images a little like this. All right. Okay. Not there. Okay, so what we want to do now is to get their names. Right, to easily do this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to crop this like this. Are you seeing that now? Then I'll crop this like this. Too much. Okay, so this is it now. So we'll copy this and then place everything like that there. Okay, place these guys around here, and then we've gotten our shape already. So we'll come over here, we'll click, we'll go over here, photos. All right, then we'll get, all right, so let's get the words that will be there. So this, all right, so the voltage, blah 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 blah. So get this text, come over here, put it there, paste. All right, so stretch it out like this. It's going to be this. Reduce this. So the color is going to be yellow. All right, and this is going to be white. Okay, let's change the font to this. Let's close up the space, line space in a little. Okay, so next we have 9 a.m. Very bold there. All right, so just come over here, just write it there, very bold, 9 a.m. Okay, so I'm going to use this or this. All right, color white. increase. Right, so the next we have here is 3rd March, Friday 3rd March. So let's go, just copy this. All right, so just put it right there, 3rd March. Okay, I'll copy this. Friday, and just put it there. Let's do this. All right, put this here. Okay. All right. Let's do this like this. So I'm gonna come over here. I'll put this as white. Still need to touch this a little. Okay. So if you look very well here, you have registration is free, blah 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 blah. So let's come over here. All right, this information you copy it, paste it here. Okay, paste it here and stretch it out like this. All right, so just make everything black at first. All right. Okay. All right, so just do this, put it right there. So the names of the speakers, we just gonna get them. So I'll pick this. All right, so with one of each, you just get one of each, and then with that you're able to get the others. So I'm going to copy this here. So this, all right, like that. So I'm going to use a black for that. All right, I'm going to make it bold. So I'm going to adjust it to sit properly like this. All right, so for the others I'm just going to copy. All right, so I'll copy this and put it right there. So for this, you come over here, you just copy. All right, so put it there, paste. I'm saying how many names have I seen there? Okay, so I'm going to I'm taking this one out. All right, so like this it's long, so we just reduce it, that's all. All right, just do this. Okay, still reduce it there. So for this, we'll copy, I'll put it there. Just get this. Okay, the time is 19 minutes. All right, so that's how you do for all of it. Just add their names and just adjust it. Right, so for this, bring it there. Let's use white for it. So you copy a dopey key. All right, paste it there. All right, don't forget to like the video, and so for this is the last All right, copy, paste it there. So we're just gonna copy this like this, put it right there. All right, paste. All right, go to the host. Do this for it. Okay, so we'll adjust this. All right, so now that we've gotten to this point, next thing we want to do is let's get a line across this. So just get a thick line here, like this, very small. Just reduce it. All right, so still reduce it, then bring it here, then just adjust it a little. Right, so we can move it here. Okay, so just here adjust it, move it to the down here, then copy it, and let's move it here. Okay, all right, so adjust it here. All right, just to create a demarcation. All right, so what's the next thing we want to do? Speakers, theme, the influencing your word. So we're going to bring a text here. All right, just write it, theme, influencing your word. All right, so sorry, carry it there, increase it, so just make it like this. Let's see how it is here. All right, so for this we use this. Okay, all right, then copy here and put it there, speakers at the corner there. Okay, where are you? So at this point we are going to, I think there's a disturbance here, so let me just adjust it. All right, so when you're done, you just go ahead and save your design. Okay, that's cool. So don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Follow the procedure, click the link in the comments in this description to get the resources that was used, and try your hands on it also, whether it's Photoshop or CorelDRAW or Pixellab or Canva. Try and see if you can replicate this design. I'll see you in another tutorial.